We call this a bidyowa, and we use these ones to plant them on the boundaries of the farm. So when they grow up, they make something like a fence. Muyembe. Siko Ryan yakwata omuyembe neera olubuto oluli omuyembe wonna okkuse.
Yes.
Nsego.
Noonya simanyi we kali noonya.
Nsego ali omuyembe.
Yakapamyemu.
Kali fine, a village boy. Can you close that gate? Those cows are going to enter. Nsego. Oli omuyembe. Kati ne. So we call this a bidyowa, and we use these ones to plant them on the boundaries of the farm. So when they grow up, they make something like a fence. So it helps to prevent animals like cows, goats from entering into the farm to eat their food. So this is the project we are doing today. We are planting these bidyowas. We add them on the fence to protect our food. We had already put the barbed wires, but barbed wires are not durable. These poles are eaten by the termites, so we keep on replacing them. So we are both replacing the poles and what? I'm planting these bidyowas. We are replacing the poles. Replace the poles, spray for the termites. On top of that, plant the bidyowas. So what is this? Okay. You bring more? Should I bring? How many are remaining? Those ones, eh? Okay. One? Okay. Someone is looking for Nsigo. She doesn't know where Nsigo is. He doesn't fear. He walks through the farm. Mr.